Okay. Hey Joe, what's up? It's me, Maria. Just wanted to come and show you what I've been doing in my spare time. I had the opportunity to drive a riding lawnmower. Oh yeah. There's the lawnmower. This is the huge backyard from back there. That's Ricky, my co-worker. This is actually his mom's house, and she can't do all of this yard work herself because the yard is too damn big. So we're gonna come over here and we're gonna sit down, and Ricky showed me how to run the lawnmower. Hearing, safety, protection, gotta be safe. Got the controls. Got your chuck, if you can see. You got your rabbit speed, fast mode, slow. This actually controls the blades. If you pull it up, it actually engages the blades and it makes them spin. Then you push down and it makes them stop. This is your key, starter mode. And this is garbage. It's not supposed to be in there. That's a secret. Smoking secret he has. Alright, so there are my little feetsies. Hearing protection. Hold on. See if you can't see. Ignore my bad hair day. But we're gonna get started. See, I'm gonna have Ricky hold the camera.